This here is a Hmong knife, so it in itself is sharp. However, it is not sharp enough to my satisfaction where it will grab this thing with the edge. I want to make it sharper. So, the moment of truth. Remember, I couldn't get the knife to bite, so here goes. Okay, there. The knife bit into that thing very nicely. Do it again. There you go. Hmong knife. Let me know what your thoughts are.